Hello everyone, welcome back to CADD Nest YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use TORIENT command in AutoCAD. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe our CADD Nest YouTube channel. So let us go for AutoCAD. So in the previous video, we saw how to use arc text in AutoCAD. So in order to align our text with the arc path we have specified, that is we have used a arc text command in AutoCAD. So what is TORIENT? So TORIENT is nothing but in order to align my text or else in order to orient my text to a particular angle, I'll be using a command called as TORIENT command in AutoCAD. For that, I'll be taking a simple line and I'll be specifying what are all the angle I want with the help of this particular line. So with respect to horizontal line, what is the angle this line pursues? So in order to that angle, my text will be aligned. So in order to align this, just type a command TORIENT. TORIENT. So it is nothing but text orient. Hit a enter key. Select the object, that is nothing but select a text you want to align. I'll be selecting this particular text. Hit the enter key and here you can see it is asking to specify the rotation angle. So what I'll be selecting is I'll be selecting end point of this line and also end point of this line, so that you can see my text will be oriented or else my text will be aligned to that particular angle. So this is how we'll be using TORIENT command in AutoCAD in order to rotate our text or else in order to align our text to a particular angle. We'll be specifying with the help of TORIENT command, that is text orient command. So this is all for now. Let's meet in a next video. Thank you. Bye bye.